Teddy, can you help me open this?
Yeah.
Can you rip this open for me?
Yeah.
Holy moly, what is all this stuff? Can you rip that?
Yes.
Here, rip this one right here.
Okay.
Hey, I didn't even see this.
What is beer?
Beer!
And a glass, a real Stella glass. Cool. Look at that.
And open this one. I'll open this
It expires June 10th, 2010. What's this?
2010?
Yeah.
Another beer.
Probably the born on date. More beer.
Oh my gosh, it came, it's got a glass.
Look.
And open this one too.
Look, Teddy.
Oh, slow down, bud.
Oh, is that underwear?
Yeah.
Mommy got Daddy underwear and beer.
Well, it just...
Oh, what's this? Wait, is this? Oh, socks.
These are all your presents, Daddy.
Oh, cool.
Oh, those are neat.
Here, Daddy.
Here, Dad.
Here, Daddy.
This for me? Oh, look at that. Whoa.
That's so sweet, Mike.
T-shirts,
Thing
socks,
for
underwear,
Duncan
and beer.
and his grooming.
What's that one over there that you got rid of? What's that one?
It's the one that already came
Oh.
that I wrapped up.
Do you think you can
Hold
get
on,
Mommy
bud. Hold on for mommy.
one? Who's this for?